Hello, everyone. Antoine.Digital here. Super excited to share that the Unlock Academy website is getting a big makeover. We've made it easier to choose a path, stick to a path, and master that path. Each path is also a membership, which comes with digestible courses, helpful tutoring, ongoing career coaching, and a lot more. All right, you now have the option to choose from 3 different paths. All right, so if we go ahead and check this out, we have the Frontend Path. Okay, and this mission of this path is to teach you the hard skills and soft skills needed to call yourself a front-end developer. By the end of this path, you will be proficient in building great user interfaces and user experiences. We also have the Python path. The Python path is here to help you build the hard skills and soft skills needed to be a Python developer. Okay, by the end of this course, you'll feel efficient and ready to write algorithms, understand machine learning, APIs, how to build bots, and all things that Python empowers you to do. Really exciting path here. And then we also have the Freelance Path. And the Freelance Path is about teaching you how to start your own web and app development agency. This path balances teaching you new skills like how to build apps and websites with no code, and also how to start your own business, find clients, create passive income for yourself and for your family. So these paths are here to really make it easier for you to get started. And that way you don't have to wonder where's next. You can choose one path or you can choose multiple. Some people will say, I want to be a front-end developer, but at the same time start a freelancing company so I can monetize those skills until I actually land a job, if that's their goal. Some people will only want to start a business and grow that business to become a 6 or 7 figure business. We also still have the Youth Tribe, which comes with courses for kids ages 8 to about 16 or 17. It comes with different courses from game development to how to code on your gaming console to also just coding in general using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This also gets you access to our Python courses and our 15-day coding challenge. We're really excited about these paths, and they're going to help you stay focused and keep you persistent along the way. You'll also notice once you get signed into a path, it has an overview and it lets you know where to start at. For example, with the front end path, we want you to start with the 15-day coding challenge. After that, you go through the Unlock Code Camp and then JavaScript 101, and then you get into Python 101. There's more courses right after that, so we want you to be efficient, diligent, and keep on fighting. We'll also show you that these are the requirements that we want you to understand by the end of this course. So by the end of this course, you'll know HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You'll understand how to use Git. You'll understand UI and UX design principles. You'll understand so many powerful things that employers are looking for, that clients are looking for, that we at the Unlock Academy are also looking for. So we want to show you everything you need to do step by step. So we're excited to launch this website, and we hope you are too. Peace, Unlock.